Buenas tardes, estudiantes. Me llamo Omar Valdez Rocha y soy profesor de español en el Centro College. Mucho gusto. This summer, I will be your instructor for Intermediate Spanish 1. In this video, I'm going to go through certain parts of the syllabus that I believe are important for you to know at the beginning of the course. First of all, if you need to contact me, the best way to contact me is through my email address, which is orvaldez@dcccd.edu. Allow 24 hours for me to respond, and if I haven't responded to you by then, you may email me back. But I'm pretty good with the email, so I should be able to respond to you within the hour if it is during the day. There are three things that I wanted to discuss that are in the syllabus. The first are the required materials for the course. The second is the grading criteria for the course. And the third and last one is the schedule for the course. Just to give you a bit of a heads up, every day you will have material that would need to be read and exercises that would need to be completed by the end of the day. At the end of every chapter, you will have a set of 20 plus exercises that you would need to complete, plus those that you completed daily, and you will have a test. And we'll talk more about that when we get to the schedule. The first thing that I wanted to discuss with you, like I said, are the required materials for the course. So you will need a textbook and access to our online workbook in which you will turn in all of your work. You have two options. The first is to buy a hard copy and the access code in a bundle that is available at the bookstore at El Centro. The second option is when you only have the access code and it gives you access to the ebook. For more information on this, I will make a second video today to explain how to sign in and sign up for this online workbook and the options you have on option 2. The second thing that I wanted to discuss with you was the grading criteria. As you can see, the percentages are evenly distributed. So there will be workbook and lab activities, there will be oral exercises, speaking tests, chapter exams, a midterm and a final, compositions in Spanish, and a final speaking test and a signature project. We will discuss all of this when the time comes, but I would suggest that you go ahead and read the syllabus carefully. And if you have any questions, just please email me and let me know. Another thing that I didn't tell you is that I also have a Skype account. So if you cannot discuss some things with me over email, or if it's a complicated question, we can set up an appointment via Skype, or we can meet on campus. So like I said, for the schedule, the daily schedule, you will have daily readings and you will have daily exercises that would need to be completed. At the end of every chapter, you will have 20 plus exercises that you would need to complete in order to prepare you for the exam, and you will have a chapter exam at the end of every week. In total, we will cover 5 chapters. This is a course calendar in which I give you the deadlines. And for this week, every day, I will give you every week I will give you a detailed weekly schedule of the pages you need to read and the assignments that are due. But this schedule that you see on the syllabus are the brush strokes, the important deadlines. Like Saturday, all of the assignments are due, and then you also have the test. Okay, so I want you to just look at the course calendar, and as we go along, I'll explain to you about the different projects that you'll be doing. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, just let me know, and I suggest you go ahead and read the syllabus carefully and just email me with any questions.